but she's so confident with her body.
A down payment to do her body?
Huh?
And she did a down payment to do her body?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes. Because she said she's what? Like she's thinking about if she's going to go through with the surgery. But why did you do a down payment if you're so confident in your body?
Oh, where the blood clot?
She did a down payment.
I am the girl and back with the live with Kate. Mr. Guys, one passa. I say one passa. Please like, share, comment, and remember, subscribe.
Okay.
Body chop up. She's a natural beauty. I gave away Kingston.
Chop up? What is chop up?
Oh, when you get your body done.
The tummy tuck? The one cut below your belly there?
Yeah.
So what the chop? One cut?
I don't know. And she's so confident with her body. But she's so confident with her body.
A down payment to do her body?
Huh?
And she did a down payment to do her body?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes. Because she said she's what? Like she's thinking about if she's going to go through with the surgery. But why did you do a down payment if you're so confident in your body?
Oh, where the blood clot?
She did a down payment while she's talking about getting her body done. But I think she can't find the money, you know? I think that's why she troll you guys. She's trying to find the money to go do it.
So everybody a bit down payment and come back and give me do body?
Good while. A long time. Mrs. She and Evo. What the girl name? Mrs. She and one girl.
She said she put on $1,400.
Long time. Good while. So I think this bitch just now have the money, like all your other doll friends, to get her body done. Like people, I don't see the big deal though. This thing with body and insecure, whatever. At the 21st century, a girl have baby and them have a little sag down there, so, and the doctor cut off the sag and stitch it back. And you have cream where you can put on the stitch and make the stitch all vanish in the 21st century. Remember good no? Enough girl out there and with them have tummy tuck. Because you have cream to take out the scars. So our problem. True, she can't find the money for do what she have to do.
But I thought she was making money off us. That's not what she said?
But she not making out. She not making out.
Okay.
Stop their game.
Guys, Designer Body has a Valentine's special. You can reach out to me and I clock you in and you make your deposit. Come on, let's do this. Let's do this. It's a pretty girl 2025. It's a sexy girl 2025. Just come with my DM, guys. Guys, text me on Instagram. I'm going to start writing down your... This is the difference between happy girl and sad blood clot girl. Jamila is a happy girl in our relationship for 8 years and 2 blood clot kids. And then I notice that Jamila come over, you come though, cry peace, and me stop cuss out on a dirty blood clot. So this is the difference between a happy girl. You say you're married for a decade and Jamila then near to a decade. And then I never hear Jamila over here trouble or cuss nobody. Jamila come over here come cuss me if you come off and left germs like Uno. So who is happy and who is sad? You talk about people about the blood clot shame when you come to people and them body. And you know you can't do body blood clot. You want sandpaper.
I see somebody come say, oh, shall sneak this our friend. Oh, the blood clot came to sneak this to be. Well, it matter to me if she want class you. Are you and her in a class in games or any class where you get to take it? Don't draw me in that chick big one, don't know the lick up but to a girl. Your face you can see her night time, you're miserable, you ball yourself to sleep.
Yeah, she one of them will cry herself to sleep for true, Jamila. And happiness a killer.
Let me tell you this. Don't come to me because you don't want me to open up my blood, pop my feet more. They have a child that is mid on the artistic spectrum. And I'm a blood clot mother, not a mama. So the past the blood clot is thinking, girl. I don't need that because I see her arms coming like because of the feel like someone come from me, then I go like, with Glock and red. Nobody not afraid of idiot, girl. Don't argue with your man. They look like say my fuck up. I'm a girl and they don't want you.
They say Gavin
That's the
artistic.
big bitch.
They say Gavin artistic.
Don't see me. Don't see me.
Jamila, they say Gavin artistic. Gavin Harman.
You can't see me because I'm not sick, y'all. I'm not sick, y'all. I'm not worried about what y'all do with them pussy, them mouth, or them backy hole. Or what y'all do with them pick me. So don't see me. Leave me on my big back, self. I'm a big self. Because like I say, every night, I'm gonna live in my own life crabs.
True, Jamila complains that her pussy tired. She complained to me say her pussy tired for true.
So don't do it. Don't worry about me.
Bye, honey.
Jams, they said she be calling. She be
my mother is calling me. I'm coming. Tell mommy I'm coming.
Yeah.
All right. Mommy is calling me. Oh, I think mommy that call me. I would. Why don't you go for my mother? I joke. All right. Jel, you have anything to say? Where is Jelissa? Jelissa send me a request now. I can't add him not over here. I don't see himself add him. We don't know she wanna not go for nobody live. Send me a request now, friend. My friend has studied psychology. Send me a request now. Can we ever teach people them in a see her, yeah.
Come in a sick y'all. Come in a fuck y'all. So please, you need to go take up an artistic book or anything where you want to take up. Go read something and find out. Go heal yourself, girl, because you're really unhappy. Go heal.
Go heal.
Take up a cup, drink some wine, and sit down and meds. Write out all their problems. Then don't come take up from people on social media because Keon and whoever else want to put out their life on here. Worry about your big hole. When not hold the man. I have one picnic, I am unhappy.
So suppose you have two, like we.
Don't do it. Because I can tell you, I keep myself every day, my pity them mad me at this blood clot. You give me a time for big pussy girl like you? Because I don't go to war. I don't see people, girl. Anyways, remember Jam's Beauty Bar. I'll be having special for Valentine's Day. So if you don't want a little soft glam or anything, yeah, I'll be having special. That is my prerogative right now. Urban, go and suck your mother.
Well
Again,
done. Well done, friend.
All of the shit out our battle. And suck out all of the shit out of your man. Battle with over you.
Well done.
Unhappy.
Well done.
Yeah. Oh, the next thing. Why did you completely tell a lie that people were trying to tell you that you're supposed to be run through or you're supposed to be running around at your age? You should have married. What?
She asked, can I believe in a run through at 19?
No, that's what she was saying. Like, who did that stop her from settling down? If you're old.
No, what you say she said? She said people want her to be a run through?
Yeah.
But Jamila, why the fuck me that settle down at 19 and now me at 29 and I'm mad? Better she become
whether she want to settle down from 15, 16, because remember say you have people where them childhood love with them.
That's true. But Jamila, people who have them childhood love no so sad
though. Really care. Girl, nobody no care about your life. But understand so you protect your earth and your unhappiness. The man born a couple times will understand. You go suck your hood, lick out in battle and see if he will stay with you. You fine father. Very nice one.
You look good, honey.
And you realize
me not talk our business.
You no can't even see my picnic them because all of them over your made.
Alright, Jamila, don't know no murder. A long time.
She bright, man.
Yeah.
She bright. Like, boy, me from the first time when she come with the whole artistic thing. Why you never come and say, okay, you know, so you said never really make no sense, but let me shed some light on what you don't know. He's a big pussy dance girl. When you stop use education because you have educated done. And that is you. Young people have education and my blood clot done. Out your mother. Suck out all the stitches them out her too from which chop up.
I may say you have a chop up mother. Your mother chop up or you want come trouble a chop up girl.
Don't mention me because me share.
You can't go on there now because you don't have no money.
Me always try to cry peace because me not like the bag of cake. Don't mention Paris. I'm a good. And if you want cause Kingston have him other auntie them will defend him, but don't mention Paris. I'm a good.
You know see what a Kingston auntie them back broad over here.
Alright.
Don't tell.
That's all me have to say. A national suck your mother. Me not even understand how you even worry about people do them body and your mother do her body. Then if you go tell your mother to go back on their knife and put back in the fact them. Kind of like bad people do them body and hurt you.
But if her mother can't find the money, she should because she make money off her way. We are feeding her.
Yourself, girl, cause as soon as possible, you're going to do my body. Oh.
Yeah, girl. Remember, say your friend do body, your friend attack it through it.
Yes.
Yeah. Remember, say designer body a book out the whole of blood clot. Remember, say your friend is a designer body representative. You're crazy. I give you nobody.
I'm going to tell her this. I'm going to tell her. This is the last thing I say. Urban, you're shit pit. You know why you're shit pit? If you have an autistic child, and as a real mother with an autistic child, you should be spreading awareness, not bringing down a next mother but don't have knowledge of something. You're shaking a plate. You're the deepest depths at the bottom of the earth. You know where nothing, girl. Instead of use the information you have and build somebody else to tear them down. You're shit, girl. You're the lowest part of shit. You're not even one shit pit. I don't know what to call you, but you are nothing. You are nothing. The time when you take my internet, go and teach your daughter some more. Go and build a bond with her, like really. All that time you're wasting, go find something else and do. And if you're unhappy with the man, go find a man for dig out your old girl or your foot hole. How about that? You're unhappy, not real. If you first of all, me follow artistic mothers on the internet. I never see them argue before them spread awareness, what to do, what not to do. Teaching spread awareness about the whole thing because a lot of persons don't know about it. It's true.
Yeah, because Jamila helped me with Kingston.
Don't know about it. So girl, don't mention me. Don't mention me. And me, I got to call my biggest friend which I have with a good hole.
I like, all of my friends them all good. Move your blood clots.
No, my biggest one.
Oh, your biggest one. Me get what you say. With a good one, with you, girl, will good with you. Boy, I say it.